Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and her family in the car. Let's start. I'm going to draw a car. I draw the bottom of the car with the wheels. I draw the mirrors in the front. And the lights. I'm going to draw Mommy Pig, her eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head, her smiling mouth, circle for her cheek, ears, her body. Next to her, let's draw Daddy Pig, his eyes and glasses, his nose, and the shape of his head. And a circle for his cheek. He has a beard, so let's add some lines like this. His arm. Daddy Pig who drives the car. His body. Behind the parents we draw the piggies. First I draw Peppa Pig, her eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head. Her smiling mouth, circle for her cheek. I draw her body. Everyone is wearing seatbelts, it is very important. Now let's draw George Pig, his nose, and the shape of his head. Circle for her cheek. His body. I draw a line here for the ground. Let's start coloring. Red for car. Black for wheels. Yellow. Orange. Pink for skin. Light purple for her cheek. Orange for her dress. Pink for skin. Light purple for his cheek. Light blue. Pink. Blue. Pink for skin. Light purple for his cheek. Blue. Pink for skin. Light purple for her cheek. Red for her dress. Brown. Purple. I use brown for the floor. I add a little light green in the background. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.